Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Klarna on Amazon. Now it's very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. Now unfortunately for some places Amazon is not actually available, because if you search for Amazon under the UK part of Klarna you can actually not see anything. However, I've noticed with Klarna USA, you can actually search up your product that you want to buy that's on Amazon, and you can actually buy it through that. So let's just say I wanted to get a TV. I can search that and it will show me a whole bunch of different TVs. But let's just say I wanted this Samsung one here. We can click on this and scroll down a bit. And as you can see, it is actually in stock on Amazon. So what we can do is click on here to be brought to the Amazon site. And it's unavailable for me at the moment because I live in UK and I'm not currently in USA. But what you would have to do is choose one of these options and just go to pay like you normally would. However, when you do get to the checkout, you should see an option which allows you to pay with Klarna. And you just want to choose that option and pay like normal. And then after the transaction, you should get redirected to Klarna to confirm that it has actually gone through there. So right now, this is the only way that you can use Klarna on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.